This is AVR joystick control project. With the help of this potentiometer that works as joystick, we can control the DC motor in forward and reverse direction. Right now, this LED indicates the motor is stop. When I move this joystick on this side, the motor rotates in one direction. This is indicated by upper LED. Then again it is stop, and when I move it on this side, the motor rotates in reverse direction. So with the help of this joystick, I can rotate motor forward or reverse, or when joystick is in center position, the motor is stop.